Hey everyone, and welcome back our channel. Today, I will show you how to zoom in on Capcut PC. And for those of you who are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more daily tutorials. Now, let's get started. So, first things, drag your video clip into the timeline. Once it's there, click on the video to bring up the Properties panel. In this panel, you'll find a range of settings. But for now, let's focus on the Video tab. Here, we have options for position and size. This is where the magic happens. Now take the cursor on the particular section on timeline, where you want to zoom in. Now I want to zoom in on this particular section of the video. To start the zoom from the very beginning, simply add a keyframe right here. With the keyframe in place, let's proceed to zoom in. Use the scale function to adjust the zoom level. You can now position the image or video exactly where you want it. After a few moments at this scale, it's time to zoom out. Add another keyframe. And this time, use the scale function to zoom back out. Don't forget to reposition the video as needed. If you prefer shortcuts, you can also hold down the Control key and use the middle mouse button to zoom in and out. Now giving you a quick overview of your entire video. And there you have it. That's how you zoom in and out using Capcut on your PC. If you found this video helpful, so give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Goodbye.